window malfunctioning. So, few little tests. Close position, push against the window, top and bottom are secured. Put handle in open position, push, and you'll see the top is moving, but bottom is engaged, which means some of the cams or the bolt on the bottom has failed. So, go to neighboring window that appears to be same style, open, inspect type of the lock we're dealing with. So this lock has cams and it's got bolt as well. It's got 4 cams and 2 bolts, and it's 811 Nico. Search the internet for replacement lock. What you'll have to do is pop the beads out. Beads are out, ease off the glass and pop the glass pane out. Ta-da! Like that. Use 2 hands preferably. You'll have to do a bit of persuasion. So open the door handle and push the window out. The frame will twist slightly and it's going to pop out from the bottom. Now once window is open, we can determine that we have got a wrong lock. Unbelievable. 2 windows next to each other, same style, they got different locks. They've been fitted in the same time and they got different locks. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. So, we'll take this apart and see if we can fit our new lock.